रब्बिश रहली सदरी वयस्सिरली अमरी वहलुल उक़दातुम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Distinguished Chief Guest, respected members of Board of Governors, Honorable President and Vice President, esteemed faculty and alumni, proud parents and families, and my dear fellow graduates, Assalamu alaikum and good evening to all. The bliss radiating in this hall today is not the joy of our academic achievement. It is a joy of endurance. It is a joy of showing up again and again. You all did this. We all did this together. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Sheikh Rahman, a proud graduate of Zabist University Class 2025, standing today not to celebrate an ending, but to honor a journey and a legacy we now carry forward. A couple of years back, I thought I haven't been to any school or institution for a good 8 years. I was hesitant, uncertain, and afraid to start again. And then there was a friend, Umar. He can see me from there. He motivated me. He refused to let me settle. Umar, this degree carries your success in it, and I'll be thankful to you throughout my life. Thank you, Umar. From failing the first quiz to achieving the highest GPA in every semester, from class representative for good 2 years to this day when I'm standing in this graduation gown and being a valedictorian of the legend sitting out there is an honor and a pride. But I believe this is not my personal victory. It reflects the resilience of all these students balancing studies with demanding jobs, all the families waiting patiently, and all the teachers who refuse to lower standards. First of all, I am profoundly grateful to Allah Almighty for His countless blessings and mercy upon all of us. The doors that were opened was by His will. सबक मिला जिंदगी का हमें इस दरगाह से, सबक मिला जिंदगी का हमें इस दरगाह से, जहां उस्ताद ने लफ्जों से किरदार तराशे. Ladies and gentlemen, Zabist is not just a university. It is a hub of excellence and innovations, where ideas are nurtured, where dreams are given wings, and characters are built. I can say without any doubt that Zabist has equipped me and all these living stories sitting in front of me with confidence and great opportunities. My dear classmates, what a journey it has been. Today we stand together having completed what once felt impossible. But let me remind you, education offers no instant reward, and success is not measured by titles we earn, but by integrity we uphold and the impact we make. Many of us completed this degree while managing 2 jobs, exhausted, stretched, and a few colleagues carrying the pain of losing their loved ones. Yet we showed up every day. I still remember the days when we used to be lazy about Sunday morning classes, striving for attendances, unlimited presentations, last-minute exam preparations, time spent at cafeterias, and the times when the deadlines appeared faster than we ever thought. Above all, the friendships and bond built through shared learning and purpose are among the most valuable outcome of our life at Zabist. We have cried, we have laughed, we have fallen down, we have felt the thrill of victory and the agony of defeat. It hasn't been easy, but it has been worth every minute. ये जो सर पे आज कामयाबी का ताज है, ये जो सर पे आज कामयाबी का ताज है, उसके हर नगीने में उस्ताद का हाथ है. How can I forget my respected teachers who are the continuous support and constant reminders to our sleeping talents. Thank you so much for your help and relentless support. You taught us that excellence is not accidental, it is rather intentional. Your mentorship will always guide us long after we leave these halls. I wish to pay special gratitude to my thesis supervisor, Dr. Madhiya Beg. She's not here, unfortunately. Madam, my first ever thesis would never have been possible without your guidance and patience. Thank you so much for turning this fear into confidence. And to the administration, the convocation management, and our program support officer, especially Mr. Vakas, thank you for holding this institution together in many ways, often unseen, yet deeply felt. May I again request all of you to please give a huge round of applause to all our teachers and staff members for their endless commitment. माँ बाप की दुआओं ने वो असर दिखाया, माँ बाप की दुआओं ने वो असर दिखाया कि कांटों में भी कदम रखा तो रास्ता बनाया. Behind every success stands a family. Dear Abu, I owe this moment to you. Thank you for the trust in me always. प्यारी अम्मा, आपका हर इम्तिहान से पहले मेरा सदका निकालना और 2 नफिल अदा करना आज ये दिन इस बात का सबूत है कि वो रायगा नहीं गई. Thank you so much. To my beloved wife, she's not here as well. Thank you for the lunches and breakfast you made for me just before every class. And also thank you for the last minute apology after our disagreement just to make me go easy with my classes and exams. Hey, my little daughter Hania, I know you waited patiently for your Baba to play with you on weekends. I hope you understand that every moment of my effort was for you, and I will always strive to be there for you. मोहतरम वालिदैन, आज का दिन हमारा दिन नहीं, आपका दिन है और हम सब तहे दिल से आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं. This degree now places a responsibility on all of us to repay our loved ones not with words, but the kind of person their sacrifices were made for. Respected guests and faculty members, often on graduation day, people look outside for heroes, but I see them right here, right now, in front of me. Clapping for all these legends, please. My friends, the time in this prestigious institution has now come to an end, and it's very hard to say goodbye. But when you leave from here today, celebrate what you have accomplished, but look forward with an eye towards how you can be an inspiration for others. The real world will test us more than any exam or any assignment. But I believe in this class. I believe in the integrity, the discipline, and the heart each one of us carries. Pakistan needs us not as graduates, but as a people of conscience, humility, and service. Let us use our education not for status, but for service, not for recognition, but for impact. In the end, I wish to say with conviction, education is a privilege, and privilege demands responsibilities. We are truly fortunate to be here. There is a famous saying, if opportunity does not knock, build a door. Let us move forward with this as ambassadors of Zabist University, as representatives of our discipline, and as citizens of Pakistan who strive to contribute with integrity. Now this share is for all my crazy friends sitting out there. नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी की गुंबद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर. May Allah guide our steps, bless our intentions, and grant barakah in all our efforts. Congratulations and happy graduation. Let's go change the world. Thank you.